I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
You start by creating the correct document so pixels behave predictably. Open Photopea and choose New or Open. Set canvas size and DPI, 300 for print, 72 for screen. Once your file is loaded, drag additional images or use File Open. Make sure the Layers panel is visible and name your base layer. This saves time later. Also enable rulers and guides to align content precisely. When done, you're ready to organize layers and begin precise edits. Next, perform the main edits by isolating elements and working non-destructively. You'll make selections with lasso, marquee, or quick selection, then refine edges to avoid halos. Once selected, add a layer mask instead of erasing. This lets you paint back detail later. Use adjustment layers like curves or hue/saturation so you can tweak color and contrast without altering pixels. Group related layers, use blending modes to combine textures, and transform with edit-free transform. To finish, save a layered PSD first so you can revisit non-destructive work. File save as PSD preserves everything. Then export a web or print copy via File Export As and choose PNG or JPEG, set quality and dimensions, and check metadata settings. Make sure to preview at actual size before finalizing. If tools lag or behave oddly, clear Photopea's cache, disable browser extensions, or reload your PSD. This troubleshooting step fixes most glitches quickly, so you don't lose progress.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.